Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do my video on how to get rid of the puffiness underneath your eyes. So in a natural way and inexpensive. I wasn't sleeping properly. Like I've said in a previous video, I did have my pet chickens that were, unfortunately they died. So I was really sad and I was crying, I wasn't sleeping well. So I did get puffiness under my eyes, and I researched a way to help reduce it because nothing was really working. And to be honest, this worked and I'm happy. So I want to make a little video about it. So what I used was green tea. I took a green tea bag and I soaked it in, obviously in hot water. And then you take it out, squeeze out the water, put it in the fridge, let it cool for about, I don't know, half an hour. And then when you're relaxing in front of the TV, or just, you know, when you're about to like just relax, you put it over your eyes. It's good to have two, obviously, unless you were doing it like I was, where I was watching TV, so I had it on one eye and then I'd switch it. But what I also like to do, I don't just like to leave it there. I'll move it. So sometimes, like first I'll start off with over the whole eye, and then I'll move it to just underneath. So, you know, that's what I want to focus on. You leave it for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Relax yourself, you know, like enjoy. It's very, very soothing. It's relaxing. And to be honest, it really helps. So I only had in my house one green tea bag, and I used chamomile. So I was using both, because when I researched it, they said chamomile, green tea, and black tea were good to use. So apparently in the tea bag, or in the tea, it has antioxidants and tannins that help reduce the swelling, you know, in your underneath the eyes, and it helps get rid of the fluid, apparently, so that helps the eye. And it does, other tea bags, other types of tea also helps with like red eyes, or if you have a sty, but I didn't really research that. For me, I was just researching the puffiness, or the bags under the eyes, how to get rid of it. And it also helps with dark circles under your eyes too. So that's amazing, and it's not expensive. I do have this tea that I will try. It's green tea and lemongrass. So that one I haven't tried because of the lemongrass. I'm sure it's the same thing, but this one was just pure green tea, and unfortunately I only had one left. So I was using that with the chamomile, which really worked. I think it helped me. It was soothing, it helped me relax, and it really brought down the swelling a lot. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna do a video today to let you know that it helped me, so maybe it can help someone else out there. I have nothing more to say on that, so I'm going to end the video here. Definitely 2 thumbs up for green tea. I know there's so many like creams out there that say they reduce puffiness and blah blah blah, and they're so expensive and they don't work. I know I bought one once, and it was an eye roller, and it was supposed to help get rid of dark circles and puffiness, and to be quite honest, it never worked. I don't remember the brand of it, but it really wasn't good. This helped, like, and it helped right away. I think I used it for 2 days, and I noticed, like, you know, right away it helped. So that's why I'm like, wow, it's not expensive, it's natural. I'm sure you have it in your cupboard. You can make a nice tea, and then while it's soaking, while it's being cooled off in the fridge, you can have a nice tea and wait, and it relaxes you. Green tea is really good for you anyways. So I just thought I would put it out there and let you know. It's 2 thumbs up for me, definitely with the green tea and the chamomile. I didn't try the black tea. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative. I'd love to hear what you think below. Comment, like, and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Sending out love.